How to block ads on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can block ads on Facebook. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to block ads on Facebook, these are the processes you may follow. Open up your Facebook app. After that, log in into your account and head over to your profile by going to the profile section. After going to the profile section, you'll be finding this option called settings and privacy. You just need to drop down this option called settings and privacy. After that, you just need to head over to the settings, and after going to the settings you will be finding your account center. Below you'll be finding a blue icon, blue letters here which says see more in account center. Just tap on that section, and after tapping on section you'll be finding your profiles here. So you're just gonna look up at the option called add preferences, which is under account settings at the third last option. Just click on it, and when you click on it you'll be able to find customize ads and the option called manage info beside it. Just switch up to manage info. After that you're gonna look up for the options here. So here you can see this category is used to reach you. Click on the very first option that appears, and you can see this employer. So you're just going to tap on this employer and click on no, and do basically choose no on basically each and everything right here. And after that is done, after clicking on no, you can see this categories associated with you as well. Just go to view and manage. You're just gonna remove each and everything from here, so that similar kind of ad will be removed from here. Other than that, you can find this activity information from ad partners. Choose that. After that, you may just review the settings and remove it. And here you can see this ad shown, and when you scroll a bit you can see where you see ads shown by Meta. So it's gonna tap on it, and you're gonna not go and select not allowed. After that, you won't be getting ads shown by Meta in any website or apps related to Facebook. After that is done, that is basically the settings that you may apply in order to remove the ads from Facebook. So follow those methods in order to block ads. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.